Pusembur Menteri Rang Bah Kejela ubah kami ikatanat PWD building Bah Prestone Tinsong. Haka arpun riuteri risau ula pentip bakajing pyntrei ka Meghalaya House ha Aurangzeb Road Delhi Shen kan sdang no. Bah Prestone ula ongru baka sorkar kaladap yo ya ka song pisa bante ya ka Circuit House lan ya ka Meghalaya House. Mentang idang penkre ya barok ki kot kislaba don kam ha ka bede bar kajing kot tenda ban pyntrei ka Meghalaya House bathmai ha Aurangzeb Road. Ka pisa balamang kalong hadu kumbalai po hadu lai puai kelur tingkah ula ong.
Again, the second review meeting was about body GAD and again preliminary building relating to construction of second house or we call it Meghalaya House in Delhi, and that is in Aurangzeb Road, which was previously known. So, in fact, we already got a sanction. Now we are working out the necessary documents to invite the tender for construction of the new Meghalaya House at Aurangzeb Road. In fact, the sanction amount is about around 30 crores, 31 crores.